Hello friends, so today I'm gonna do a quick video about a plastic repairing related topic. So guys, I got a uh, old light bulb, actually LED bulb, uh, with a huge crack in this cover, this plastic cover. So you can see the crack. So previously it was not like this, it was widened, and we can't take this closer. So and in this way, uh, this is really risky to use, because for some reason when checking the bulb, if someone's finger get inside this crack and touch the uh, any wiring connections, there can be accidents. So this bulb was, because of those reason, this bulb was discarded, and what I did was I take the bulb and did a little bit of repair. So first what I did was, using my electric drill, I drilled very tiny holes in these two places. Then using a very thin wire, I put one end from this and take it from inside, and took the other end outside from here, and I using a filler, I uh, attach both ends of that wire together tightly. When I'm tightening that wire, this crack is gonna close little by little, and then it touches each other in the same way you can see now. So after that, what I did was, I use an old yogurt spoon. You know that little spoons you get when you eat little yogurt cups, no? And I used my old bout. I had this old soldering iron, and the tip is really old, and I have some extra old tips also. So I use this old soldering iron and fix this one. The reason why I use all soldering iron means, what I did was kind of plastic welding thing. So if I use a new soldering iron, the tip will get little bit damaged. Not actually damaged, it's get little bit dirty. So it's not suitable, and I don't recommend that kind of thing. So what you can do is, if you have an old tip, this tip, you can put it to this soldering iron using, first you have to loosen these two screws, top and bottom, and you can take the new tip out and put the old tip in and tighten the screws, and then you can use it. So using this old soldering iron and yogurt spoon, I melting that yogurt spoon and fill the cracked area with that plastic. You can see, and I forget something. Before pouring that yogurt spoon plastic, I first, using the soldering iron, I little bit uh, uh, take the soldering iron here and there, like zigzag way, through that crack. So in that way I can put some bond to the crack, and then I start pouring plastic from that old yogurt spoon to this crack area. So you can see now, this is the plastic from my yogurt spoon. So with that way I can seal the crack, and also this is really hard after it get dry, and this is not gonna open again. And after that I take out the thin wire which I used to bind this bind and keep this crack closed, and I fill using same yogurt spoon. I fill that two holes which I drilled before to put the wire. So likewise I prepare this old bulb case, and this is real simple fix. And that's it for today, guys. Thanks for watching this video. Let's meet with another good video.